In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fund your Opay account with your mastercard or your Visa card or your debit card. Now, without wasting much time, let's just dive right straight into the video. I'm going to click on my Opay app. That's the first step. As you can see, my balance is 0.00 naira. Means I have not been able to fund it yet, or I have not funded my Opay yet. I cleared the account completely because of the video. So all you need to do at this point is to simply click on this add money here. Click on it, and then you see some options will pop up, You see bank transfer, you see top up with card, you see cash deposit, you see bank USSD, request money from others, and the rest. Now the option you're going to click will be top up with card/account. So once I click on that option, it is going to open. Now they will ask for the amount I want to top up my card. Now already my card is linked to my Opay, so it's already linked. I'll drop on that video where I'll be walking you guys through how easily you can link your card to your Opay. It's a very simple process, guys. So if I want to add up, or for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add 500 naira to my Opay, just to show you guys how easy and how simple the whole process is. So I'll click 500, yes, and then I'll just click on the next button, and then automatically the card I've linked up is going to appear. So if you have 2 or 3 cards, you can easily link them up, and then if it comes to this point, you can easily click on the card you want to use to fund your Opay account. So since the only card I have here is my GT Bank card, I'm just going to proceed with the payment. Add payment. Click on add payment, and instantly you see transaction successful. So if I click on done, I go back to my dashboard, go back, automatically, as you can see, my account from 0 naira, it's now 500 naira. Guys, it's as easy as that. So I'm making this video for those of us who are finding it hard to top up our Opay account using our card. So this video specifically is just to make you understand that the process is very simple and very easy, and it's hassle free.